Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about role of yoga in health, wellness and stress management. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that integrates physical postures, breathing techniques and meditation to improve overall health and well-being. Originating in India, yoga promotes harmony between the body, mind and spirit, making it an effective tool for maintaining health and managing stress. Now, role of yoga in physical health improves physical fitness. Regular practice of yoga postures, asanas enhance strength, flexibility, and balance, enhances respiratory health. Breathing exercises known as pranayama improve lung capacity and oxygen supply to the body, boost immunity. Yoga helps regulate body systems and strengthens the immune system, reducing susceptibility to diseases, prevents lifestyle diseases. Yoga helps manage conditions such as obesity, hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases. Role of yoga in mental wellness improves mental clarity. Meditation and mindfulness practices help improve concentration, memory, and mental stability. Emotional balance. Yoga helps regulate emotions and promotes positive thinking and self awareness, enhances sleep quality. Yoga, regular yoga practice improves relaxation and helps in overcoming insomnia. Role of yoga in stress management reduces stress hormones. Yoga lowers levels of stress hormones like cortisol, promotes relaxation. Practices such as meditation and deep breathing help calm the nervous system, improves coping ability. Yoga strengthens mental resilience and helps individuals handle stressful situations more effectively. Now, global recognition of yoga. The importance of yoga has been recognized globally through the celebration of the International Day of Yoga, observed every year on 21st June following its adoption by the United Nations. This global observance highlights the role of yoga in promoting health, harmony, and sustainable lifestyles. Now, importance of yoga in modern life. In today's fast-paced world, yoga offers several benefits, maintains physical fitness and flexibility, reduces stress and anxiety, enhances mental peace and emotional stability, promotes a healthy lifestyle and holistic well-being. Conclusion: yoga is a holistic system that promotes physical health, mental wellness, and effective stress management. By integrating body movements, breathing techniques, and meditation, yoga helps individuals achieve balance and harmony in daily life. Let us quickly revise it. Yoga improves physical health and immunity, enhances mental clarity and emotional balance, effective for stress reduction and relaxation, recognized globally through International Day of Yoga, promotes holistic well-being and healthy lifestyle. Thank you.